Terra Classic to hit $1 is possible. Yes, the truth is, Terra Classic is still trading with about 3 zeros at the time of recording this, and a lot of people has actually predicted Terra Classic to hit 10,000 and 100,000%. I still believe there's a possibility that Terra Classic can hit $1 because $1 is the target, which simply means Terra Classic need to delete about 3 zeros and hit a massive increase in price. Now, if Terra Classic with all the project they have, their roadmap, their latest roadmap for 2023, I think that is good. Although I know they need a lot of money to actually achieve this, but I still believe that Terra Classic with the roadmap they actually brought out and with the support they've been gaining from Binance, from Kucoin, from different crypto exchanges, and from the community, Terra Classic hitting $1 is going to be possible. And we all know that the tax bond is going also to create more impact on Terra Classic, and I believe definitely next year 2023 we are going to see the tax bond, the bonding is going to increase because of the tax bond, and also the bond of Terra Classic. Definitely the target is to destroy the 6.1 trillion coins in circulation, which has been going down gradually. But Terra Classic still need to partner with many more companies. For example, Coinbase are yet to list Terra Classic, although they actually listed Terra Classic earlier before they later removed Terra Classic from their platform. But I think the community have been asking Coinbase to list Terra Classic back and also support Terra Classic with a tax bond. So next year 2023, I believe this is going to become one of the biggest years for Terra Classic recovering, and then the hitting $1 is much possible for me with the roadmap, with the project they have at hand. Terra Classic is going to hit a massive increase in price very soon. Let's keep waiting, and though it's not so many people believe that before the end of this year Terra Classic would have hit over 1,000 to 5,000%, but crypto industry in general has been affected, so even BTC also. But thank God Bitcoin has started recovering. Now Bitcoin actually hit over $70,000 mark since after almost 6 weeks. BTC has been trading below $16,000. That is a good one for crypto industry, and let's hope that Terra Classic definitely is going to increase, and let's hope that Binance founder CZ will keep supporting Terra Classic token. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.